talk too much. Yes, you. You think words make you look smart. That if you keep talking, people will listen. That if you explain yourself enough, they'll respect you. Wrong. The more you talk, the weaker you look. You give away your thoughts, your emotions, your insecurities, without even realizing it. You make yourself predictable, easy to read, easy to control. But silence keeps them guessing. Silence makes them uncomfortable. Silence puts you in control. Most people are afraid of silence. They talk because they crave validation. They talk because they can't handle the weight of saying nothing. They talk because they think if they stay quiet, they'll look weak. But real power? It's in restraint. When you say nothing, people wonder what you're thinking. When you don't react, people start questioning themselves. When you stay quiet, people fill in the gaps for you. And in doing so, they reveal everything you need to know. This is why silence is a weapon. Because the person who talks less controls the conversation. Think about it. The loudest person in the room? Usually the weakest. The one explaining, justifying, oversharing, is the one who looks desperate. The one who speaks little but listens. That's the one who truly holds power. So here's what you do. Stop explaining yourself. Let your actions speak. Talk less. Observe more. The more others talk, the more they expose. Master the pause. A second of silence carries more weight than 100 words. Embrace awkward silence. When you're comfortable in the quiet, you control the room. Because silence wins arguments before they even start. Silence commands respect without demanding it. Silence makes you unreadable, unshakable, untouchable. So stop talking so much. Stop giving away your power. Because in a world full of noise, the quietest person in the room is always the most dangerous. Use your silence wisely.